In the path of life, there are two decisions that can change complete destination. First is your career choice, and second is the marriage choice. One wrong turn, and you completely reach a different destination. Hi friends, I am Dr. Ashita Nangakar, founder of Alkanand Homeo-Care Clinic, homeopathic consultant and psychological counselor, and you're watching my very own channel, Alkanand Clinic. Today's topic for discussion is why do most of marriages fail nowadays? So stay tuned till the end. To build a building, it is very important that the base needs to be strong enough to bear the weight of the building for a sufficient time. Marriages are such beautiful constructions if built on a perfect base can long last. One question that everybody should ask themselves before getting married is why they are getting married. My friends, if any of the reasons that I am going to mention further are the reasons that you're getting married, then wait and think for a while before you get married. Number 1, the social pressure. Most common reason why people get married is not because they want to get married, but because the society wants to see them married. It's your right age to get married. If you don't get married now, you won't get appropriate match later. Only you from your batch has left to get married. Friends, if these comments push you to get married, then please stop. The society is not going to help you if you make a wrong decision or decide to call off a marriage later. Please think for a while. Number 2 is physical appearance. Are you attracted to somebody to a level to spend your whole life with? If yes, then friends, it's high time to grow up. Looks don't feed you. They don't give you happiness or satisfaction in life. Looks are temporary pleasures which will be denied by you and you will fall to regret for your later life. Number 3 is loneliness. If you're finding someone to find the missing blanks in your life to complete you, then pardon me if I offend you, but no one can complete an incomplete person. If you can't accept yourself the way, then how will you accept somebody else? You are the person you stay with throughout your life. So if you can love yourself the way, then only you can give to your partner. Only a complete person can give 100% to his or her partner. Number 4, to be a rebel. Some people choose to be rebellious from their childhood. They just want to oppose their parents in any decision they make. So do they enter marriages. A lack of sensibility in any marriage would cause severe disaster. So would this. Number 5, escape. Girls with unhealthy family backgrounds would rather choose to get married and get away with the unhealthy environment. But friends, you might just land up messing up your life more if you don't make a wise decision. Number 6, pregnancy guilt and pity. Most common reason to get married to a woman who's pregnant is that the person has made her pregnant. It is always good to take responsibilities of your own mistakes, but my friends, it won't be a wise decision when you're not even ready. Tell me, youngsters at 21 getting married just because somebody has got them pregnant is not how they deal with their life problems. Of course, it is a crisis and they should have a proper solution to this, but marriage is not the solution. Also, in cases where you find somebody disabled, you pity the person and get married to him, but that is not what somebody wants. A disabled person would always want respect rather than being pity or pathetic at him. At the end, I would like to say that it is very important to know the reason or the mindset why you're getting married. Because that is the reason what you will be expecting from your partner. And if you don't receive it, you're going to soon be disappointed and lack the interest into that relationship, leading further to either call off or just live with whatever you have. Other reasons for marriage to fail can be lack of understanding, lack of adjustment, or sexual dissatisfaction. Let me know in the comment section if you want any of these topics to be taken in a brief. Marriage is a decision for life, made with much of patience, adaptation, adjustment, acceptance, and affection. If you are ready, only then take it, and when you take it, make sure that you are being realistic and logical. We all can't deny the fact that marriage is like a gamble. Just make it worth a play. For any further queries, you can contact me on the below given details. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching till the end.